Welcome to Switchboard Live, and this tutorial will show you how to use PartnerShare, a powerful feature that makes amplifying your reach simple and easy. PartnerShare lets your community partners choose which social media channels to stream to using a simple link without having to share their passwords with you. It's a secure way to live stream to both your channels and theirs at the same time. Here's how it works. You edit the partner invite in your Switchboard account, send the link to your partners, they open the link, select their social channels, and give you permission to stream. Then just go live. You'll stream to your channels and your partners' channels at the same time, reaching more people across multiple platforms, amplifying your reach. Let's get started. We'll open the Partner Network Hub. Click the main menu, then select PartnerShare. Let's take a look at this page. At the top, we can preview or edit the partner invite. Below that, connected partners and their linked social channels will appear here. We can search, sort, and filter them. To the right, click to copy the partner invite link for sharing and view the number of connected partners. Now let's edit the partner invite. Click Edit Invite. We can customize things like the organization name and the logo, giving you control over how your brand appears to partners. Click Edit, change the name here. Click Change Logo and select a new logo. Click Next. Now we can edit the title and description. This is the message your partner will see when they open the link. After editing the invite, we'll click Save Changes. Click the link to preview the partner invite. Now we are ready to copy the link and share it out with our network. Here's a special note about the shareable link. Take a look at the partner invite URL. It's customizable. Simply change the organization name in the Edit Invite section and the URL will update automatically. This customization makes it easy for your partners to recognize your organization when they open the link. Once your partners have added their social destinations, those destinations will automatically appear in your Switchboard account ready for live streaming. Next, when you're ready to go live, add the partner destinations to a stream group and go live. Navigate to the workflow, click Add Destination, and select the Partners tab. Click the button next to the destinations you want to add to the stream group, and click Done. Partner destinations are easy to spot in a stream group because they'll have a partner flag next to them. Now we're ready to go live since we're receiving video. We'll select Destinations and click Go Live. Whether you're broadcasting city council meetings, emergency alerts, or community events, PartnerShare is simple and easy to use, helping you reach more residents across multiple platforms simultaneously. Remember, with Switchboard Live, you can go live everywhere. Visit switchboard.live to get started. Useful links are in the description below. Give this video a like and follow us to stay connected. Thanks for watching. Take care.